Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix ChatGPT in a network error easy and quick. If you want to fix this problem, all you have to do first click here, type device manager, click on it, and after that go to network adapters. Now once you're here, just right click and update all those drivers, search automatically for drivers, go back and then update one by one. And that's it, just update all of those drivers one by one until the last one here, and then go back, click here, and after that go to your browser and then go to your browser history, click clear browsing data, and then go to advanced. Now just and select all of those here, and then select browsing history and cookies and other site data, and then site settings, and that's it. Now your problem must be fixed. Just select here all time and clear data. That's it. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.